this good idea. I got this tackle box from the dump, and I'm going to be using it. I like for moving my tools around. I like to have something that you can open this, see what you have. So I'm going to be putting. I have these LED strips. I'm going to make it that when you open up the tackle box, it's going to have lights on the bottom of each layer, and it's going to activate on a battery. So when you open it, they'll all be lit up so that you can see your tools. Using this 12-volt ribbon, and I want to make these LEDs run on just the normal voltage. I'm going to put them in parallel and try to get them to run off of just 3 volts. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So here I have 3 lights connected, and you can see 2.8 volts. I'm drawing about 5 milliamps. So here I have just a single cell from a laptop battery, and these are 3.8 volt cells. So I plan on putting 3 on each layer, so we'll have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 should be good. My idea is to use this Ethernet wire and have the wire run along here, go up to the next layer, go here, and then run around here and go on the last one. I just have to make sure that it can wobble and go up and down like that. Here's the final product. If you open it up, you can see the lights going on there. It's in a dark room. You can see all the tools. And how it works is, I bought this little roller switch on eBay, and so if you press it down, it turns off. So the layer, as the layers go down, you can see that it hits that button right, that switch. So it turns it off when you close it. You open it and the lights go on. So there you go.